Welcome to Hollywood. No, not the one in California. This is Hollywood, Florida, a coastal city between Miami and Fort Lauderdale. Founded in 1925, Hollywood was meant to be a dream city, modeled after its West Coast counterpart. It quickly became a major tourist destination thanks to its beautiful beaches, lively boardwalk, and laid-back atmosphere. As we drive through the entrance, you can see a mix of older buildings and newer developments. Some areas are well kept, while others look like they've seen better days. Hollywood isn't quite the tourist hotspot it used to be, but it's still a go-to spot for locals from Miami and Fort Lauderdale looking for a quick getaway. We're staying at a beachfront hotel right on the famous Hollywood Beach. Even though the weather isn't perfect, cloudy skies and some rain, it's still a great spot for a weekend escape.
We're staying right here. That's Crystal. And the beach is right there.
And I've watched every car roll that stop sign. Every single car goes right through it. Sorry, that drives me nuts.
This is such a nice area.
It really is so cute. I feel like I'm in like a little mini village or something, like so excluded from everybody else.
Yeah. So let's see, it's a little stormy weather.
Yeah.
You wanna walk around?
Yep.
That's the good side. And that's the stormy side. Let's go that side, that way.
You're the one that's gonna melt. You didn't see him? Look at him.
Hollywood Beach is known for its long stretch of sand and, of course, the Broadwalk. Now, if you've never been here before, the Hollywood Broadwalk is one of the main attractions. It's a 2.5-mile long oceanfront promenade lined with restaurants, bars, and shops. Unlike most boardwalks, this one isn't wooden, it's paved, making it great for biking, rollerblading, or just taking a leisurely stroll.
The artwork, I mean, they look nice, like the contrast in color, I get what you're saying, but I feel like they're actually like good quality too. How fun would that be? We should move here and just get that job. Or you get that job and I'll go dance at senior prom.
Okay. Thinking about lunch.
Whatever you say.
Don't you?
Whatever you want.
One cool thing about Hollywood Beach is that it's home to the only oceanfront theater in Florida, the Hollywood Beach Theater. On a typical night, you might find live music or events happening right by the water.
Public restroom over there.
This is such a cute little area. It's like a better version of Atlantic City, right?
Yeah.
I shouldn't say better, but a different type of style.
Yeah.
That's really cool. She's so heavy. This is cute. I think this is so cute.
Yeah, this is really
Their
nice.
Margaritaville is way better than ours. Way better.
Say again?
Their Margaritaville is way better than our Margaritaville. And we're fucking Jimmy Buffett. And we're in Key West and we don't have a good Margaritaville.
Yep.
This is a really cool area though. I'm curious how late they stay open.
You can Google it.
Huh?
You can Google it.
Of course, Jimmy Buffett, August 30th is a tribute. Did you open it yet? Oh, I was like, he knew there were guys.
Today, with the cloudy skies and rough waves, the beach isn't as inviting as usual, but there's still something charming about being here. Hollywood Beach itself is one of the nicest in South Florida. It's less crowded than Miami Beach and has a more relaxed vibe. The sand is soft, and on a sunny day, the water is crystal clear. But today, with the stormy weather, the waves are pretty strong. Even so, you'll always find people out here, whether they're jogging, walking their dogs, or just enjoying the view. Some parts of the Broadwalk feel like they belong to a different era. Older motels, mom and pop shops, and 1950s style architecture. You can tell this place has a history. Some buildings are being renovated, but overall, Hollywood has a mix of past and present, giving it a unique character. As we walked around, we noticed that Hollywood isn't as polished as places like Miami Beach or Fort Lauderdale. Some areas feel a little rundown, while others are being restored. It's a city that has changed a lot over the years, but it still has that old Florida charm. Despite not being the booming tourist destination it once was, Hollywood is still loved by locals. Because of its location, it's a convenient weekend spot for people from Miami and Fort Lauderdale. The relaxed vibe, the beach, and the Broadwalk make it a great place to unwind, especially if you're looking for something more low-key than South Beach.
Probably be really cold to get in like full body, I think. But for the feet it feels nice. The wind is so strong. My goodness. She's not having a good time at all. Oh, wrong spot, baby girl. Just yeah. See, that's my kind of people. Sit right there. Sorry, Ian's the one that does all the videoing. My commentary's not the best, but it's from the heart. Babe.
Yeah.
They're out there getting wrecked by those waves.
Yeah.
That poor lady's gonna be so sore. I do really love days like this though. I honestly do.
After a day of exploring, we're heading to one of the most iconic landmarks in the area, the Seminole Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. This place is hard to miss, literally. The hotel is shaped like a giant guitar, and at night it lights up with an insane LED show. Inside, it's a massive entertainment complex with restaurants, shops, and of course, a casino. But we're here for one reason. The Jane's Addiction concert. Seeing them live in this kind of setting is the perfect way to end the night. Definitely. If you're looking for a chill spot with some old school Florida vibes, Hollywood is worth a visit. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, let us know what you think in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss the next video.